Hello Gemini, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. Gemini, this is your reading for this is a timeless reading and this is your love reading, and this is about what your person truly thinks and feels about you, especially if there is a no contact situation between you and your person. Let's see what is going on in your person's mind. I'm going to lay down the cards. We have two of swords and we have lovers. Okay, so if there is a no contact situation, what your person wants to say to you, what are they thinking and feeling about you, what they want to say to you. We have 10 of swords, the 4 of swords, wow, the 5 of swords, 4 of cups, lot of sad energy, the wheel of fortune, the strength, and ace of swords. Bottom of the deck we have king of cups. Gemini, you might be dealing with another Gemini. Very strong air presence over here. You might be dealing with another air sign: Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Leo. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. Oh my god, Gemini, this person is thinking like crazy, crazy about you. Something has shifted in their energy, which is making them think like crazy about you. Okay, I think so. There is also some sort of a shift in your energy, which is making this person think like crazy about you. Okay. Uh, Having said so, if you have any kind of doubts whether this person loves you or not, whether this person is thinking about me or not, it's been so long we are not in contact, it's been so long there is no communication, there is silence for such a long time. Okay, am I on this person's mind? Oh my god, Gemini, you are definitely on this person's mind. This person is thinking like crazy about you, and this person has really strong and deep feelings for you. I think so. This person might be very, very good at hiding their feelings, very good at, probably this person is a very good actor as well. Okay. They do have really strong emotions. Undoubtedly, this person has a lot of strong emotions, and with 10 of swords, 5 of swords, I think so. This person is having a is there is a feeling of betrayal, and it's not about you betraying them, or it's more about by sabotaging this connection they have betrayed themselves, they have betrayed their higher self. Okay, their higher self is madly in love with you. Their subconscious mind has been shouting from the rooftop that they are in love with you, Gemini. Gemini is the love of your life. But for whatsoever reason, this person ignored their subconscious mind. This person ignored uh, uh, what their intuition was trying to tell them, ignored all signs and synchronicities. And maybe this person probably also relied on external forces, their friends or the family members, solicited some advice from the wrong people. And these wrong people gave all sorts of wrong advices to your person. And based on their advice, your person took a wrong action towards you, sabotaged this connection. Okay. And now they're regretting, now they are crying, they are regretting. And now, whoever advised this person, these people are laughing in one corner. Like, see how we have sabotaged this person's relationship. Okay. They don't have beautiful relationships in their life, but this person had a wonderful relationship with a very strong chemistry, with a very strong magnetic attraction, deep emotional connection with you. And these people, they have never experienced something like this, and that is why out of jealousy these people gave your person a wrong advice, and your person was also stupid enough to listen to them. But now this person is realizing that they did whatever they did was absolutely wrong. They should have never and ever solicited advice in first place. They should have always and always listened to their inner voice. Their inner voice was shouting from the rooftop, telling them all the time that Gemini is your person, Gemini is the love of your life. This person, and with King of Cups, indeed, they want to come back. They want to express their love. Eight of Wands, Ace of Swords. They want to rush towards you with some sort of communication. They're thinking how they should come and how they should express their love. They're sad. They're sad without you. Okay, the strength and the wheel of fortune. This person is trying to muster up the courage to come towards you and change the existing situation. They're stalking you. They are stalking you. This person is thinking, should they come towards you and express their love to you right away, or should they start flirting with you, get into some sort of a light-hearted energy, and then, begin this connection? They are not happy, Gemini. This person is not at all happy. Let's see what this person, let's pull out some oracle cards. Let's see what are the feelings, their feelings or your feelings about this connection. What are the feelings, their feelings or your feelings about this connection? Crush. You're my favorite person in this world. Wow. Milestone. Our love is stronger than the distance between us. This person thinks that there is a lot of unfinished business. Fake. You're not the one I loved. You are changed, dear. You're fake. This person, I think so. This is more you, more of you. This is what you are thinking. That I loved a different person initially. Now you're someone else. Impatience. Life is too short to wait. Dying to meet you. This person is dying to meet you. I'm telling you, this person is crying. Look at the way she's crying. This person is crying thinking about you. They're impatient, love you. I want to say I love you. They want to say I love you. They want to express their love. What is divine's advice when it comes to this connection? What is divine's advice when it comes to this connection, Gemini? Angel of balance. Angels are there to support this connection, guys. The world, have patience, things are about to change very soon. Your world is about to change with this person. Number 48 and 29 are of some importance. Cornucopia. There is a lot of happiness and abundance that you will experience very soon. A lot of happiness and abundance is coming towards you when it comes to this connection. Heartbroken. Yeah, both of you are heartbroken. Both of you are heartbroken. Both of you are missing one another. Deceit. Yeah. Someone was wearing a false self mask, not expressing their feelings. And I also feel like this person was deceived by other people. Okay. There is a lot of negativity and jealousy that came towards this connection because of the chemistry that you guys have. Okay. All right. I hope this resonates, and hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, take care. Have a great time. And let me show you the cards, Gemini. This is your spread. Okay. Take care. Have a great time, and bye bye.